Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about the topic Unacademy organizes Engineers for GATE and ESE aspirants from August 7 to 9th. So by hearing this, the first question that will arise in your mind is why GATE and ESE? Why should you aspire to crack these exams? So the answer is apart from the merits of landing your dreams job in a PSU or holding a top level government position, cracking GATE and ESE also gives you an opportunity to build the country's future and contribute towards its development. As you all know, GATE, which is a graduate aptitude test in engineering exam for the engineering and science students, and ESE, which is obviously an engineering service examination which is conducted by the UPSC, Union Public Service Commission for the recruitment of engineering services, are the program which are given by the Unacademy platform. So I will just give you the highlights of the news. Unacademy launched the Engineers program of 3 days summit starting from the August 7 to 9th for the GATE and ESE aspirants. It is a totally free program which will bring together the renowned engineers, innovators and visionaries live on the Unacademy platform. The founder of the Infosys Limited, N.R. Narayan Murthy, investor Sam Pitroda and Sonam Wangchuk, who is a popular engineer from Ladakh, along with other 40 celebrated personalities will be speaking live at the summit. The program, which is initiated by the Unacademy, will provide learners the opportunity to connect with the top educators, visionaries in the field of engineering and the senior leadership team at Unacademy to gain insight into cracking two of the toughest examination in the country, as you all know about it. This program also provides free sessions and workshops to help aspirants to navigate the complexities of GATE and ESE exams with easily. And as you all know, Unacademy is a big educational institution, so it also provides a dedicated workshop to clarify the queries of the aspirants, such as the future prospects of the pursuing engineering, MTech in top IITs, cracking in PSUs, and appropriate strategy to prepare the GATE and ESE exams, which is very necessary for all the aspirants to know all about it. This program also helps the people to understand the GATE and ESE exams in depth, and it also helps in maintaining a balance between the personal and academic lives, as well as the importance of mental and physical wellness while preparing for the exam. The summit will engage learners and speakers through various sessions, workshops, panel and discussion and preparation strategies. This program has invited various speakers from all over the country, such as our cabinet minister Shri Prakash Javadekar, the founder of the Infosys Limited N.R. Narayan Murthy, the telecom engineer, inventor and entrepreneur Sam Pitroda, the engineer, innovator and reformist Sonam Wangchuk, cabinet celebrity author R. Madhavan, and various Unacademy educators Praveen Kulkarni, Jaspal Singh, Ankit Goyal sir, Saurabh Kumar Pandey, as you know all about them. All of them share their experience and success stories with the learners so that they can choose their career in a right way. And the main thing about this program that it is available for all the participant and it is totally free. So my advice to you is that you can check it out and register in it in advance so that your seat is fixed in it. So the link is given in the description box. Please go and check it out and register in it. And please use your time wisely in this lockdown period so that you will not regret in the future. Thank you so much for watching till end. If you like this video, please share and subscribe the channel and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.